In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make presentations in Figma. First, open Figma. From your dashboard, start a new project by choosing New Slide Deck. This creates a dedicated presentation file where each frame is a slide, giving you a familiar flow while keeping everything fully editable with Figma's design tools. Next, pick your starting point. You can choose from professionally designed templates to move faster, or build from scratch if you want total control. Either way, use standard Figma tools to keep your design consistent. Auto layout is especially helpful for slides. It maintains spacing as you add or rearrange content, so your titles, text blocks, and images stay aligned. Pair that with design properties like fills, strokes, corner radii, and type styles to establish a simple system. Think consistent headings, body text, and accent colors so your deck feels cohesive from start to finish. To make your presentation more dynamic, add animations and transitions. Use transitions between slides for smooth movement and apply element-level animations to guide attention to key points. Keep motion purposeful and moderate so it supports your message without distracting. If your content calls for interaction, you can also include live polls, surveys, and interactive prototypes to gather feedback or demonstrate flows right inside your deck. These touches make your presentation more engaging while keeping your audience involved. As your deck grows, organization matters. Switch between slide view for focused editing and grid view to see the big picture. Grid view makes it easy to spot repetition, balance sections, and rearrange slides visually. Press the N key to quickly view the arrangement of slides. Remember, slides are read from top left to bottom right, so place your frames accordingly. Renaming slides and keeping a clear visual hierarchy on each one will help you stay oriented and make last-minute changes without stress. When you are ready to share, export your presentation as a PDF or a PowerPoint file. PDF is ideal for a lightweight, locked-in version that looks the same everywhere. Choose PowerPoint or PPTX if you or your collaborators need to make edits in traditional presentation software. Before exporting, give your deck a quick pass to confirm margins, contrast, and readability, especially on smaller screens. That's it. Thanks for watching.